So, hi students. Today we will talk about the Kirchhoff's law. As you are having queries in the Kirchhoff's law, so just as a recap, that the some problems are there. I have taken 7 to 8 problems are there on the Kirchhoff's law. You also try to solve it. I will explain the concept. When I explain the concept, after that you just try to apply the same thing in a question to make the things very easy. Just as a recap, I will not take the video more than 20 to 30 minutes. So you can do the mastering in the Kirchhoff's law. So let's start the class. So if we observe about the Kirchhoff's law in a simple thing, so what basically Kirchhoff's law talk? So here two things are there. One thing we know about the junction law and one thing we know about the what? Loop law. So what basically and why we need to study about the Kirchhoff? This is the very important thing that we have to understand. The first thing, in a Kirchhoff's law, we use what? First, electric network. Understand the word. What we use? Network. Then second thing, what we use? We observe, we see the junction, the point where all the currents meet. And the third point we see about the loop, electric loop. And fourth thing that we observe about the branch. If you understand these four terms in a Kirchhoff's law, what basically we are observing, we are seeing the network, junction, loop, and branch. Now understand everything one by one. So now coming to the point as what you want to know. That is very important thing in a life. So what is junction law? If you observe here, current I1 is coming, and from here current I2 is coming. Okay, and from here I3 current is leaving. So what is happening? This is a junction. So when this is a junction, the Kirchhoff first law say about that how much current is entering, that is equal to the net current is leaving the junction. It means what? I1 is coming plus I2 is coming, that is equal to what? I3. It means in a simple language, the net current on a junction is zero. Summation of all current and junction is basically it is zero. So this thing what Kirchhoff's law is talking about us. First thing clear? First law, the Kirchhoff's first law, junction law. Junction law, what they said? Algebraic sum at the junction, the net current is zero. Now talking about the loop law. So what loop law? Sir? In a loop, complete loop, the sum of all the potential is equal to zero. That thing. Now, sir, how we understand the question? This thing I hope you know that to understand before we should move anything, just listen very clearly. Ki suppose for a moment, I told you the first law. What is the first law? Summation of I is equal to 0. And second law is what? Summation of voltage is equal to 0. Now, when you observe the circuit, how you will see the circuit? To understand sign convention. This is very important to know about the sign convention. And if you understand the sign convention, whatever sign convention I will say you here, if you follow the same sign convention, the things become easy for you. Things become easy means what? Your life become easy for you. Now, let's go ahead. So when we observe the sign convention, the first thing, suppose for a moment, the first sign convention in front of us, suppose there is a network like this. This is positive, this is negative terminal. This is B and this is A that I always give to you. So if I ask you what is the potential from A to B, I am moving from A to B. Listen very clearly. How I'm going? I'm going from A to B. If I say about what is the potential from B to A, if I am moving from B to A, understand the word B to A. And here EMP E. Voltage how much? E1 I given. So when you're moving from A to B, you see the terminal. Which terminal are you coming first? Positive. We are going from positive to negative. You take the terminal as a plus E1. From B to A, you are moving. Which is coming first to you? Negative. They are coming from negative to positive. So take the terminal as a minus E2. Got it? Any doubts to anyone? No, sir. So if no doubts, if I ask you in another way, what another way? Suppose there is another way to understand this thing. How? Okay, suppose again there is a loop I have taken, conductor I have taken like this, and this one I have given like this, and I have given this one like this. Got it? Now the question came, this point is B and this point is A. Now tell me what is the potential from A to B and B to A. Now here E1 is their same I given value. So now you're going from B to A, yeah, A to B. The first thing you're moving from A to B. So when I'm moving from A to B, I'm moving from negative to positive. The value will come here what? Minus E. But if you move from B to A, it means how you're going? Positive to negative. It means the first terminal is positive. Like you are entering from positive to negative part, plus E1. I hope it is clear. Sign convention. Now the third case is what? Direction of current. Always you take the positive. Suppose the resistance is there like this R. And that current is going I. So you are moving from A to B. How you are going? A to B. So when you go from A to B, then what you will take here potential? Direction of current. same potential direction, same. So it is IR. Now the fourth case, suppose the same potential it is there. Here resistance is R. This is B and this is A. Now current is moving B to A and you are going from A to B. In this case, what will come? It will come, my current is coming I minus IR. I hope it is clear to all. So please take a screenshot of this. We are going to use this one only to solve all the problems. So meanwhile, I hope you understood. From positive to negative, you are moving. You will take positive. You are moving from negative to positive. You will take negative. Direction of current always positive. Direction of current, if you're taking from up reverse of that, then you would take as a minus. It is clear to all. I am taking always positive. That's why I have given to you. Now here one question is there as a loop I have given to you. Suppose this is a loop. In this loop, I have taken the moment of current how? Like this. The first thing what we have to do in this question, we have to draw the circuit. Matlab how flow it is happening. To observe how it is we are moving from A to B, then B to C, after C to D, then D to A. This is our movement. Correct? Yeah. So observe here, first point. From A to B, we are going, what you are finding? You are finding E1. The E1, what is there? How to be? How it is there? Observe here, how it is there. First part is positive now. So what you will write? You will write E1. Correct? Now, next point. You enter to the current part. So when I enter to the current part, how much current will come here? It is plus IR1 here minus IR1. That is important thing. So you are moving in this way and the direction of flow of current is in this way. So what you will take? V is equal to IR. So here what will come? Minus IR1. Now you came B to C. Now again here what will come? Here positive to negative. It means E4 is what? Positive. Now again you are going downward. What happened here? Current is I only. Current upward, you are moving downward. It is minus IR4. Next point. What next point? You came here. So what will come again? Current direction this side, but you are moving in this way. So what you will write here? Here you will write minus IR3. Positive to negative. So what you will write? Plus E3. Now you came in this way. What will come here? Just observe it. Again, the direction of current downward. You're going up way, that way. This way, what will come? It is minus IR2. Any doubts? No. Now, again, you're going from positive to negative. It is plus E2 is equal to 0. I hope it is clear to you. So what we have done? Now, if you want to write proper way, what you will understand from here? You will understand from here E1 plus E2 plus E3 plus E4 is equal to what? IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3 plus IR4. I hope it is clear to all. But the sum of net EMF, whatever the net EMF is there, what? E1 plus E2 plus E3 plus E4, that is equal to what? The product of current and the resistance value. It is clear to all? Yes. Now let's do some junction question. Before we start anything, suppose if I want to know how much current is here, what is the value of I? So you just see, we are going this is inward, but from here we are leaving outward, we are leaving outward. The incoming current is equal to outgoing current. I is equal to what? 2 plus 1. So what you got from here? I is equal to 3 ampere. Clear? Now observe this question. If you observe this question, what is happening? You are leaving this one, but in this two way you are going entering it. It means 0.7 plus 0.5 is equal to what? I. They will get the value from here. I is equal to whatever. If so, after solving. Now observe here. I1 you are entering this way. This one also entering this way. Matlab I plus 2. Now this part you are leaving and this part you are leaving. It means how much? 4 plus 0.5 you are leaving. The 4.5 I plus 2. Then I is equal to how much? 4.5 minus 2. That is your I value. What after solving you will get the answer. It is clear to all. So I hope you understood the first law question, how to attempt it. Clear? So now we will do some problems and then we will understand how the questions basically come from here. Understand now. So our first question here is, suppose we have to find the current I1, I2 and I3. Correct? So question came, how we will do? I'm giving you this question to try, keep the pause and do the answer. If not, then we will do it again. Always remember next thing, when you're finding the circuit in this way, 7 volt, 28 volt, always you take the flow from the maximum voltage. It means you take the moment like this. It is clear to all that it movement in this way clockwise, then here you will take as a opposite of that anti-clockwise. It is clear. I will just give you the pattern also, right? Suppose you are taking movement like this. Suppose you are moving from this point. It is K, L, M, N. So you are moving first, applying KVL. If you apply KVL, what will come? K to L, L to M to N, and N to K. This is your movement. Now, if L, M, T, P, the other movement you will take, it's up to you how you want to take. You take P, T, L, M, P, P to T, T to L, L to M, M to P. Correct? Now, observe here. So suppose we are moving from K to L, direction of current I1 in this way, but we are moving in this way. So what I will take? I will take minus I1 into 4. It means, can I write like this 4I1? Yes, sir. Minus 4I1. Any problem? No, sir. The minus 4I1. Now question came here. I2 what will come? So you observe here, I2 is basically what? It is going in this way. And they both are dividing. So by junction law, if you observe, what is junction law here? That is important thing to know. The junction law, what they said? I2 is equal to what? I1 plus I3. Remember this word. Now, clear, this is junction law, KCL. This is KCL. We have done KCL also, and now we are doing KVL. So now understand very clearly. Next thing, what I'm going to do here. So now we are moving from L to M. When we are moving from L to M, current is going up, we are going downward. So what will come? Minus 2I2. Now here M to N, nothing is there, 0. Now coming in this part. So when we are moving in this part, we are going from where minus came first. So yeah, minus K means minus 28 is equal to 0. It means if you take minus 2 common from here, what you got from here? You got from here 2I1 plus I2. Here minus will become plus 14 is equal to 0. So this minus 2 will go inside 0. Cancel out the 2I1 plus I2 is equal to minus 14. Correct? Yes, sir. We have got this answer. I hope it is clear to you. Now, the first equation we got. Now solve for PTLMP. PTLMP. The PTLMP means we are going for minus 7. So can we write like this minus 7? Yes, sir. You can write minus 7. No problem. Sir, you can do whatever you want. Why? Because we don't want to study. Sir, why you don't want to study? You have to study, bacha, for your life, for your goal, everything. Understood? Do questions slowly, slowly with me. So we are moving from P to P to P. P to T, P to T, P, T, P, T, P, T. The minus will come. Now next point, T12. My movement is T12, but current is flowing in this way. Then what will come here? It will come minus I3. Into minus I3, any problem? No. Now you are going downward. But again, current is upward. So what you will take? You will take minus 2I2 is equal to 0. Why? Because this part, nothing is there. I hope you got it. Say, it is clear now? Yes, sir. If you send this minus 7 this side, what will come? Plus 7. You take minus common. The first thing you take minus common. So what will come? 7 plus I3 minus 2I2 is equal to 0. I shall leave it. Why to make more complicated? Just simply simple. Can we write like this from here? Minus 7 is equal to 2I2 plus I3. Can I write like this? Say, if you are agree with me. Yes, sir, I can write like this. Now, we got this equation. Now, we have a two, here variable is I1, I2, here variable is I2, I3. So what to do now? That is important thing to know. We know that I2 is equal to what? I1 plus I3. So can I replace I2 with I1 plus I3? Can I replace here I2 with I1 plus I3? Yes, sir, you can replace it. If I replace from here, what will come? Tell me. 2I1 plus I1 plus I3 is equal to minus 14. So what you got from here? You got from here 3I1 plus I3 is equal to minus 40. Okay. Now from this part, how much you will get? Which part, sir? Here, by solving this part, tell me. If you put I2 value here, so minus 7 is equal to 2I1 plus 2I2 plus I3. Any doubts? So what you got from here? You got minus 7 plus 2I1 plus I3 is there, na? I3. 2I1 plus I1, 2I2, 3I2, no? 3I1, no? 2I1 plus 2I, this is I1 only, no, sorry. See, I replace I2 with the value of what? I1 plus I3, the I1 plus I3. Yes, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me make it clear. Let it done properly. Okay. Understand what I'm saying. I2 is equal to what? I1 plus I3. Now, at a place of I2, if you put this value, what you will get? -7, correct? 2 in a bracket, what you will get? I1 plus I3. Then bracket close plus I3. Clear? Yes, sir. So now, if you leave this bracket, what you will get? That is the question. So you will get from here 2I1 plus 2I3 plus I3. Correct? This thing I was saying to you. So what you got from here? You got from a -7 is equal to 2I1 plus 3I3. Wow, so beautiful. So yes, we got the equation now in the same variable. Just eliminate the matter. By elimination matter, we can get the answer. So if you observe, I will do here now. So can I say 3I1 plus I3? Yes, sir. Please tell me, sir. -14. Can I say from here 2I1 plus 3I3 is equal to -7? Yes, sir, we can say. Now, what to do elimination matter? Coefficient just multiply in this part 2 and in this part here coefficient 3. So what you will get from if you multiply? The 3 to just 6I1. Here what you will get? Plus 2 I3. Here what you will get? -28. Now, if you solve here, how much you will get? 6I1. 339 plus 9I3 -21. Now, minus plus become minus, here plus become minus. Sorry, minus become plus. This part cancel out. So what you got from here? -7I3. If you solve this, how much will come? Just tell me. If you solve this, how much will come? If you solve -7 will come. So from here, I3 came how much? I3 is 1. Wow. I3 came 1. So I hope if you put the value of I3 in any equation, if in this equation, you will get I1. So how much will come I1 from here? Just put the value. If you put the value, you will get the answer. Na? And that like the same value will get the I2 also. That is your answer. But if you get the minus sign, suppose the current can be minus. The current cannot be negative. So basically negative sign represent the direction. We are taking opposite direction. That's the problem. Okay. Nothing is there. No need to worry about that. You take the magnitude. That magnitude will be the answer. Okay. I hope it is clear to you all. If you want, you can see the question how it is there. Correct? Okay. Now, if you observe, there is another question, one question more I have taken. This question I have taken, this is my favorite question basically. So now, if the loop came in this way, so we saw this loop how? The same pattern we saw. So now, the loop came in this way, the same pattern loop. See here also, this loop and both are the same way. So I need the answer from you for this question. What will be the answer? I will tell you the hint. If you solve, you will get I2 is equal to something 18/31 ampere. I can give you a hint also right now okay, how to do this loop. When you are observing this loop, first you observe the KCL. So what is KCL in this loop? Tell me. KCL. So if you observe I1 is entering, I2 is entering, but I3 is leaving. The KCL is what? I1 plus I2 is equal to I3. Now apply KVL. The KVL, how many places will come? That is very important thing. We have a 3 variables. How many variables are there? 1, 2, 3 now. So we'll get 3 equations. Keep this thing in mind. 2 variables, 2 equation. 3 variables, how many equation? 3 equation. Here how many? We got 1, 2, 3. We got no. Remember that. First this thing we got, then we got where? Here we got, then again we substitute the value, then we will get the equation. That thing is very important to know. Now, how to take a loop? That is important thing. If you take the first loop, A, B, E, F, A. Apply KVL. A, B, E, F, A. Matlab I'm moving from A to B, B to E, E to F, F to A. This is the first moment. Correct, sir. So in this moment, how you will take? Tell me. A to B, how you are moving? Current I1. Anything is there? No. A to B, it is swap. Nothing is there. Now coming to the next part. Which part? B to F. The B to F, how much will come? 2I3. Positive. Yes, sir. E to F, anything is there? Nothing is there. Now, F to 8 is there. -2 plus the -12. Again, we are going current direction. Both are same. So how much current is there? I1 only. So plus 5I1 is equal to 0. So from here, we got what? 2I3 plus 5I1 is equal to 2. This is our first equation. Remember this equation. If I remove this all thing, any problem, just remember this thing what we got. Now apply another KVL. The how we apply, can I apply D, C, B, E, D? You can start from here also. It's up to you. Apply KVL in this equation. So what you will get? D, C, B, E, D. It means I'm moving from D to C. The D to C are moving what? -6. Again, current and both are same. The plus 3I2. C to B, nothing is there. Now come to B to E. B to E, how much? Plus 2I3. E to D, nothing is there. It means it is equal to 0. So from here, what you got? You got 3I2 plus 2I3 is equal to 6. Correct? Yes, sir. Now we have a variables in this way, but we know that I1 plus I2 is equal to I3. So can I replace the value of I3 with this? Yes. If you replace the value, what you will get here? You will get 2I1 plus 2I2 plus 5I1 is equal to 12. It means you got from here 7I1 plus 2I2 is equal to 2. This is it, first. Now, if you replace here I3, then what you will get? This part, if you replace here, then so what you will get? 3I2. The same thing you will get 2I1 plus 2I2 is equal to 6. So what you got from here? Here you got 2I1 and 3I2 plus 2I2, 5I2. It means 2I1 plus 5I2 is equal to 6. So we got two equations. Now put the value and you get the answer 7I1 plus 2I2 is equal to 12. 2I1 plus 5I2 is equal to 6. This thing we got. Now just multiply here with 2 and to remove this I1 and here with 7. So what you will get from here? 14I1 plus 4I2, 12 to 24. Now if you observe here the 14I1, next 7 5 35, 35I2, 7 6 42. Minus, plus is there minus, plus is there minus, plus is there minus. This part cancels. How much will come? 35 minus 4. How much? 35 minus 4 minus 31. 42 minus 24. What is the answer? Tell me. 42 minus 24. If you 42 minus 22 is what? Minus 18. Because 18 plus 24, 42. So minus minus cancel out. That I2 is equal to how much? You got 18 by 31 or not? Does I have said the same thing here answer or not? I2 we got. So when we got I2, now I want what? I3 and I1. So how to get I3 and I1? That is important thing to know. So now take complete loop. So when you take complete loop, how you will move in a complete loop? You will move from A to C, C to D, D to F, F to A. The A to C, any current, any resistance, anything, nothing is there, 0. Now C to D, it is there. Yes, it is there. We are going downward, but it is upward. So minus 3I2. It is plus to minus. It is plus only 6 here. This part here it is there, nothing. Here it is there. Yes, how much? Minus 2. It is there in this way. Yes, how much is there? Observe how much part is there. The plus 5 I1 and outs is equal to 0. So from here, if you solve, what you will get? You will get that 5I1. I'm writing in a proper way. 5I1 minus 3I2 is equal to this 6 minus 2. How much will come? Minus 6. The minus 6 will go this side. How much will come? Plus 6. So you got this value. 5I1 minus 3I2 is equal to 6. And we know the value of I2. I2 value is how much? 18 by 31. So if you put this value here, I2, at I2, you will get I1. And now, after getting I1, what is the KCL? I1 plus I2 is equal to I3. Will you get I3? Yes, sir. So how was the question? How you will rate this question out of 5? At least 1 point you will rate or not? Yes, sir. We will rate 1 point. Okay. So these are the questions like this you can do. You can try to solve the question. Say find I1, I2, and I3. The moment in this way we are taking like this. The moment they have given, and in this way they have given moment like this. So just you have to take it the same way. So suppose here current is going I1. Observe if I zoom the figure. In this way the current is coming here I1, I3 this way, I2 this way. It means if you observe here, what we will observe? I1 is entering. The I1 is equal to what? I3 plus I2. Why? Because I3 is leaving and I2 also leaving this junction. Got my point? Yes. If you apply the KCL in this point, then what you will do? A, B, C, D. So A to B, B to C, C to D, D to A. The A to B are moving how much current? I1. So how much I will let? Direction same, both same, so 10I1. Now downward, how much is there? Same direction, the plus 20. There nothing is there. In this way, how much? Minus 3 is equal to 0. It will go this side. The 10I1 plus 20I2 is equal to 3. Clear? Yes, sir. Now take another look. B, C, E, F, if I observe. So you take moment anyway. So how you want to take moment? Take, say first. Shall we take moment from E, F, B, C, E, F, B, C. Next, E. The E to F, how much is there? Minus 1.5. Because minus part is there. Nah. Here nothing is there. Coming downward, how much is there? Downward we are coming. Now see, this way. So downward we are moving. B to C we are moving. So B to C current flow also there. How much is there? Plus 20I2 is equal to 0. 20I2 is equal to how much? 1.5. So from here you will get I2 or not? Tell me fast. If you get the value of I2 1.5 by 20, and if you remove this point, you will get here 10. So what you will get? That over the equation, by fraction value, you will get something. That is your answer. And if you put that value here in I2, you will get I1. And then after by the KCL, you will get the I3 also. I hope it is clear. Okay. Now observe this question. In this question, I ask you find the current in each resistance. Resistance here, 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 here. So I always told you, if there is a question, we don't know the current, then how to attend the question. Always remember, maximum voltage supply, we will take the flow from there only. It is clear? So we are taking flow from here only. So suppose from here current I is coming. How much? I. It came here. Here junction came. So suppose this side the current went I1. So bhaiya, in this side, how much current will go? I minus I1 na? Yes, sir. Correct. Now observe. So if we take the loops, this is one loop and this is another loop. So observe first loop. What is the first loop? Yeah, KCL. If you see the KCL also first. What is the KCL? The KCL is what? I current is coming. And how much is leaving? I1 plus I minus I. It means this part cancels. Our net current is how much is there? I. So from here we understand in I1 is any current is there? No. So in a simple language without solving also we got answer or not 0. I will show you how it came 0 also, don't worry. But remember this thing, one trick is that in a simple way you observe that if you cancel it you will not get I1 value. I1 value not. It means what basically? It is 0. So question भैया you take the loop KVL, KVL. So when we observe KVL, how we observe? The first thing we are moving from A to B, B to C, C to D, D to B. The A to B the minus 80, positive direction to plus 20I. B to C nothing. In this way we are moving how much? Same direction to plus 40I1. A to D nothing. It is equal to 0. Completed? Yes, sir. Completed. Now next point. Observe in this part. If you observe in this part, so what is their part? DC, F, E, D. So D to C, here we will take minus 40I1. Here current is there, no. In this part current is the direction is same. How much it is there? Same. The plus 10 into how much current? I minus I1. I minus I. Then minus 40 is equal to 0. Now if you solve, how much will get? Minus 40I1 plus 10I minus 10I minus 40 is equal to 0. Correct? Any doubts, anyone? Whatever I have done, it is clear now. So now from here you will get some equation. Again, what equation you got? Just observe here. This is very clear what I have done. We are taking the moment like this. When we are taking the moment like this, then what will happen? If you want, you can take the moment in this way also. It's up to you how you want to take. So now see here, minus 40. This one, I1 current is going in this way. We are moving in this way. How much? Minus 40. I1 we have written correct. Now in C to F, nothing is there, no part. Now come to F to E. When we are moving from F to E, what is there? Current direction both are same. How much? I minus I1 current. The 10 into I minus I1 current. And then here it is a minus part, the minus 40. It is clear? Yes, sir, it is clear. So from here, how much you got? You got from here 20i plus 40i1 is equal to 18. Now from here, how much you will get? Just find it now. Minus 40 go this side. The minus 40 minus 10, how much? Minus 50 I1 plus 10i is equal to 40. Now you got two equations, solve it and get the answer. Clear? I hope it is clear what I'm trying to say to you. Okay. So these are the problems that basically related to the what we call Kirchhoff's law, and we have taken almost all the questions like that are the important question, and I hope you have understand. Please try to do the question. If you'll do, it will help you a lot to understand the things. Okay. Thank you so much.